Alright guys, I want to show you all a couple things. After I got my welder set right, it said, I don't know why that thing's blinking like that, it's not doing it in real life, but 15.4 is what I ended up on. It would not burn holes and seemed to do a lot better. I started out at about 17 volts, I reckon that's what that is. And anyway, so I started over here, right over here. You guys can see, you know, it was pretty rough getting going, and there's a little hole I burned in. I still got to do this over here and then some of this down here, but as I come around, I started getting better and better, doing little blurps. You know, you got to do, just touch it, get it welded, and move on to the next one, and I'm blowing it off with air to cool it down. So I decided to put this side right with the door jamb, with my door gap. And then this is the side that I'm going to have to work on, you know. I'm just going to probably cut it like straight down right here and then move this back this way. So that's probably what I'm going to have to do. But, you know, my welding ain't the greatest. I just want to show y'all real quick before I start cleaning it up. Right there. So 15.4 volts on my little welder seemed to do the trick. And back here I got brave. I had to put this little piece of quarter panel on back here, and you guys can see that I actually had riveted it on to hold it in place. The holes were already there from the body shop that was working on it. So you can see how I'm doing these little blurps, you know, every so often, and then let it cool. And then you got to clean it up real good though. I thought I had this thing pretty clean, but you gotta really get all that crap off if you want your welder to work right. There's another little spot I gotta fix. So I know it looks rough right now, but I'm really, you know, getting the hang of it as I go. You know, getting little ones right down through here. So anyway, that's what that looks like. And like I said, 15.4 volts seemed to work pretty good with my little welder. I looked at some other YouTube videos, and guys were with the Millers, didn't really have the volt thing. They had a dial that like went 1 to 6, so that really didn't give me any idea where to start. I want to show y'all my rig I made right here. For me, the hardest part about this whole thing is seeing what I'm welding. I just can't see that good through this helmet, even though it's got the auto darkening shield on it. So what I did was I took one of my rechargeable flashlights and I put a screw in it and I screwed it on top. Now I can turn that bad boy on and see what I'm welding. You know, because you got to be able to see, like right here, I got to get that weld up in that little, up under this piece. And I got to weld these two, I got to melt these two together right here. So that's what I'm trying to do. And I just can't see that well where I can do it without light. You know, I rigged this whole light up and it helped a little bit over there, but that flashlight is the bomb, man. Like I say, I just took me a little screw and screwed that sucker on there. Now I'm good to go. But anyhow, I just wanted to throw that out there real quick and let you guys see it. So I'll do some more once I get it ground down and flattened out. All right.